Now, before we move any further, I've just realized that obviously I told you earlier that I've provided the file unavailable.php, but I haven't. Now that I look at the catalog folder, obviously we've created media and catalog folders manually. So I have all of the images I need for my catalog. But before we go there, let's open Photoshop or any other application. I'm going to be using Photoshop for this purpose. And if we create the file of the dimensions 150, 120 by 150. Now if we fill it up with some gray color perhaps, something like DE is fine. We fill it up, open our layers palette, and obviously use some text tool and type image not available. Okay, now let's use our text tool. It's centered. We obviously can reduce the font size a little bit. Okay, if we unlock the background and center the text, then text also on this light gray, perhaps we could change the color to a little bit darker. That's all fine. Now obviously the line height is a little bit too much as well. Again, center this. Okay, sorry. Okay, this image will do for now. So if we now save for web, okay, and if we save it to sites, sorry, it's going to be sites here, commerce, and we have our media catalog, and it's been called unavailable.png. That's fine. So we can close this file, so we don't need it anymore. So we have our unavailable.png here. Now, if we go back to our browser and click on any of the categories, you can see I've added my products displaying together with the names and links to the product item page. Same about all other categories. I have here a few others. Obviously, add to basket isn't a link yet, which we'll be working on very soon. But now I just want to show you actually how this unavailable image looks. So if we go to our products table, and let's remove the image from the first record. Just going to cut it for now because I want this for later on. I'll update this. It's fine. If I refresh page, it wasn't on this one. I think it was on that one. There we go. So image not available. So if we didn't have an image there, then obviously it will display this temporary image. So if we go back, add the image back to the record. Okay, save it. We go back, we scroll down, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so let's move to the next video when we actually still going to be working on our catalog.php file.